In this video, we will cover how to install the M-8080D Dante module to enable Dante connectivity on the M-8080D system. Begin by unpowering the M-8080D main unit. On the back of the device, remove the two cover plate screws. Uncover the plate and expose the M-8080D's module bay. Set aside the screws because we will reuse this later. Insert the M-8080D module into the module bay. Secure with the screws from the plate earlier. Power on the device and the system will reboot and recognize the new module. Connect the M-8080D Dante module to the same network as your PC. On the PC, download and extract the M-8080D Dante module firmware update package. This contains the updated M-8080D module firmware and an installer for the Audinate Dante Update Manager software. Link to the download page is on the description below. Install and launch the Audinate Dante Update Manager software from the package earlier. Follow the prompts and select the M-8080D TNT firmware file given with the package. The software will automatically scan the network and detect the M-8080D module. Once detected, select the device and install the update. Upon completion, restart the module and it will now be ready for use. Congratulations, you have now enabled Dante connectivity to the M-8080D Dante system.
Dr. Sound. TOA.